Leo! The window broke! Oh no. Why is the ball here? I didn't kick it. I don't know.
What happened here?
Dad, it wasn't me! Leo, it's my turn now. Just one more kick. No, you already had 2 turns. I almost beat my score. Let me finish first. You always say that. That's not true. Fine, keep it then. Why are you so mad? I just wanted to win once. I just wanted my turn. One last kick, then it's yours. You said that before. Leo, not so hard. I can control it. Whoa! What was that? Did my ball hit the tree? Okay, Mia, your turn now. Thank you. That's all I wanted. Think you can make it? Watch me. Leo, move back. You're distracting me. I'm just helping. Stop it, Leo. Let me have my turn. I wasn't doing anything. Yes, you were. I don't want to play anymore. Fine, I'll play by myself. Leo, too hard. It's fine. Oops, I hit the tree. I warned you.
Uh-oh. That branch moved.
Go get the ball, Leo. I hit it really hard. That doesn't look good. Here, your turn. Finally. Ready to watch? Yeah, sure. I did it! Nice shot. What are you looking at? Nothing. Did you hear that? Yeah, from the tree. Wait, Mia. Why? Stay back. That branch looks cracked. We should tell Dad. Come on, let's get Dad. Wait. What's wrong, Leo? I need to tell you something. My ball hit the tree. You did that? Why didn't you tell me? I didn't know it was broken. You should have checked. I kicked it because we were fighting. Don't blame me for your kick. Leo, look! Ah! It's breaking! Ah! Mia, get back! It's gonna hit the window. The window broke. Oh no. Your kick did this. I didn't mean to.
Kids, stay away from the glass. Tell me what happened.
The branch fell on it.
Leo, do you know why it fell?
Maybe because of my kick. You knew something was wrong. I wasn't sure. You knew. We were both fighting. But you kicked it.
Stop blaming each other. We need the truth first. Did the ball hit here?
Yes. Right there. I kicked it because I was mad.
That was a bad choice.
Why didn't you tell Dad? I got scared. I thought everyone would blame me. So you stayed quiet. The ball was next to me. I didn't put it there. Dad saw me holding it. I'm sorry, Mia.
The ball hit the tree. Then the weak branch fell.
I should have told you sooner. Yes, you should have.
Mistakes happen. Hiding them makes things harder.
I'll tell Mom everything. Tell her the truth. What if Mom gets mad?
Just be honest.
What happened?
Mom, I need to tell you. Mom, I kicked the ball really hard.
Okay. Keep going.
The ball hit the tree, and the branch fell.
Did Mia break the window?
No. She didn't. I'm sorry I stayed quiet. I was really mad at you.
The window can be fixed.
Telling the truth matters more.
I cared too much about winning. I got too mad, too. I'm still upset, but I forgive you. Thanks, Mia. No more hiding mistakes. Promise.
Next time, kick away from the house.
Way away from it. I'm glad nobody got hurt. Me too, sweetheart. Let's move the goal over there. Good idea. This is much safer. And there's more space.
You go first this time.
Really? Thanks. Nice one, Mia. Your turn. Ready? Go for it. Perfect. I didn't kick too hard. It looks brand new.
Let's keep it that way.